Hi, I'm Rob. Welcome to our home at Tustin. Let me show you my Millennium backyard. So this is our Millennium Pergola. By having them put in this new space, it created a whole new world for us. We can close off the backside with these roll down screens, cuts down the wind, cuts down harsh sunlight, especially in the winter when it comes in at an angle. It just makes for a really wonderful aura. It gives us our own little private room. We also have the ability to move the louvers. So you can see all the louvers can move together, it can be fully open, or better yet in the winter, it can fully close. We've been through a winter so far with them. When it rains really heavy, we can come out here, all of our furniture stays protected, everything is still usable, everything is great. They designed the drainage so all the water is contained in the white channels and drains into the drains on either corner and out. Millennium did a great job. They had to replace some of the concrete. You can't even tell what they tore up. It matches perfectly. They did a great job. They run a clean site. They do a good job of having a safe site. I'm in the construction industry, so I watch them work, and I'm very impressed with both the cleanliness, the housekeeping. Great quality craftsmen that know their business, and they do a good job. They went through the permitting process. I work in the public sector myself, so it's very important for me to pull permits. They went through that, got the engineering, worked with the city, took care of all of that. As little things came up here and there, they didn't nickel and dime me. We weren't worried about this thing changed or that thing changed. They gave me a price, they stuck to the price, and did a great job. This pergola is sort of the hit of the family. We have Sunday Fundays here, and all of the extended family comes over. But this is the party house, and having this cover changed everything. You don't have people running for shade in the summer. The whole area is shaded, the whole area is comfortable. Fans do a great job. It's just a wonderful environment. So I wholeheartedly recommend Millennium Construction and my Apollo Pergola. Eddie, Millennium family, thank you for creating the space for my family. It is a wonderful thing that you've done here. It's a wonderful space for us, and I thank you for it.